Hey kids, how you doing? It's Mr. Lynn. Hope you're having a good weekend. It's cloudy today in my backyard. It's the forest behind me. Not my forest, but the forest is behind me. And the rain finished just a little bit ago. And so I'm gonna introduce this week's lesson, which is a found object color wheel sculpture. So let's get to it, shall we? So for this project, you're going to need to look around your house and find different items, different colors, all the colors. And then we're going to make a color wheel. Now, a color wheel is a tool that artists use to help show the relationships between colors. We're going to start with the primary colors, which are the first colors. Let's see. I got a bunch of Legos. If you're looking for a lot of colors, Legos have a lot of colors in them. So I'm going to start with yellow. That's the first one of the primary colors. And then red's another one. So we got yellow, got red, and the last primary color is blue. All right, so when you lay out those primary colors, yellow, red, and blue, you want to put them in a triangle shape. So primary colors are the first colors. They're the three colors that you can't mix. All other colors you can mix by combining the primary colors. So from here, we'll go to the secondary colors. Secondary colors, of course, are created when you mix two primary colors. So when you mix yellow and red, you get orange. So put some orange there. And then when you mix red and blue, you get violet, also called purple. And then when you mix blue and yellow, you get green. And so that's the simplest of color wheels. These sculptures get super interesting when you find a lot of different things. So I'm going to take all these things, make my color wheel, and share that with you. Yes. All right, so here's my color wheel sculpture. I got a bunch of different things. I had a hard time finding purple things, but I did find that notebook. And then, here you got like a Lego thing. That's from a book. I'm not sure what that is though, but got some crazy glue and some Legos and some pins. This is a top to a thermometer, I think. Big thermometer. This is a game piece. Yeah, it's fun, like going around the house trying to find stuff. Got a ping pong ball and a highlighter. This is something from my toolbox, yellow. Got a couple markers and a pencil for the green. Got a pin cushion for blue. Yeah, gotta ask your permission about pin cushions, kids. Those things are sharp. So ask your parents' permission before you start poking around in their stuff. This is a flat tire fixing set. This is like a head scratcher kind of thing. It looks weird, but it feels really good on your back and your head. So here we got the color wheel. So just to summarize, we're doing a found object color wheel sculpture. You need to go around your house, kind of like a scavenger hunt, and with permission from your family, of course. Look for things from all the colors. We've got our primary colors, which are yellow and red and blue. And then we've got our secondary colors. Yellow and red make orange. Red and blue make violet or purple. Blue and yellow make green. So within the color wheel, we've got some different relationships. Opposite colors, which is to say purple is opposite from yellow. They're across from each other in the color wheel. We call those colors complementary colors. They have a lot of contrast and add a lot of pop to them. So if you're going to put these complementary colors like orange and blue in the picture next to each other, they're going to be really contrasting. Same with red and green, complementary colors. We have warm colors, which, the yellow, orange, and red, they're next to each other on the color wheel. Those are all nice warm colors. And so if you're having a picture and you're adding a lot of all warm colors, the picture will be full of energy because those are hot colors but harmonious. Those colors are very similar to each other. Same with the cool colors. Blue is the main cool colors, but then dark green can be a cool color and dark purple can be a cool color. For splitting hairs here, that's a dark purple. This would be more of a warm purple. See, that's a bit lighter, kind of reddish. Violet would be a warm violet. And same with green. If you have like a yellowy green, that's probably more of a warm color. And the darker bluish greens are the cool colors. So That's your color wheel. Once you make one, take a picture and post it, or you can email it to me, or you can just do one with your family. Tell me you did it. It's all good. It's a fun activity to help you learn about color and the color wheel. And I can't wait to see your sculptures. All right, you have a great day.